Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here with a sneak peek at some super thin iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max cases. So these are from the California company Totallee, and they are incredibly thin and lightweight. These are truly cases for the case minimalist or the person who doesn't even like using cases at all. Let's take a closer look. Taking these cases out of the box for the first time is really quite an experience because they are so incredibly thin and lightweight. I don't think that I have ever encountered a thinner case. Actually, I reviewed a very thin and lightweight case by the company Pitaka a few days ago, their mag case, and it is indeed a very thin and lightweight case, but when you compare it to the Totallee case, you can see that, well, it's totally thick in comparison. These are just amazingly thin and lightweight. So in terms of the amount of protection they're going to provide, I would say it's pretty minimal. These are going to protect against accidental bumps and dust and dirt, but they're not going to give you much in the way of drop protection except of a very, very minimal sort. However, for people who like to be able to show off their iPhone and don't want to distract from its beauty with thicker or heavier cases, these really might be a great choice. One interesting feature of Totallee's cases is that there's absolutely no branding or logos anywhere on them, so this may not be a big issue to some people, but to others it'll be a huge relief that you don't have to contend with a bunch of brands and logos when you are looking at your phone. With Totallee, the focus really is on the case and your phone and not on their brand. The result is a very clean and uncluttered look. The pre-release cases that Totallee sent me for the iPhone 11 case lineup fall into two general categories. We have the matte cases, which are made of a polypropylene material. They do have some flexibility, but they are a little bit on the rigid side. And then we have the ones which are made of a clear TPU. So the TPU ones only come in this single color glossy clear, whereas if you go with your matte cases, you have the option to choose from 5 different colors. There are some differences here in the construction of the cases. If you look down here at the port openings on the matte cases, you can see we have individual speaker and microphone holes, whereas if you look at the clear cases, you can see that we just have one big opening here at the bottom. And then going up to the sides here, you can see we got covered buttons on the clear version, and the buttons for the matte version are open. So not quite the same cases, but they are similar in that they are both extremely minimal cases. They have a nice feel in the hand. I think that the other big difference you're going to find here is that you're going to have much less of a fingerprint issue here with your matte case. This is also going to be probably more scratch resistant. And if you go with the clear version, clear TPU does tend to have an issue with yellowing over time, so that's probably something you're going to need to watch for. And then also it's going to show more fingerprints and probably is going to scratch more easily than the matte version. One thing that this clear case shouldn't have an issue with is watermarking, because it has a series of tiny dots on the interior, and those are usually quite good at preventing watermarking. Obviously, I don't have any of the iPhone 11 to try these out on, so I can't actually check out how these are going to fit on the phones, but overall they seem like very nicely made cases. They are backed by a 2-year warranty, which is impressive for a small company, and you do have a money-back guarantee on these cases as well. So really nice cases from the folks at Totallee. If you're in the market for a super minimalist case for your iPhone, or if you're the kind of person that otherwise would go caseless, I think that these are definitely something to consider. If you are looking for something that's got more drop protection, this is probably not it. The Totallee cases will protect you against dust and dirt and scratches and the occasional bump, but probably not a whole lot more than that. So it all depends upon what you're looking for your iPhone. Again, we've been having a sneak peek at a pre-release selection of Totallee's iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max case lineup. So these cases are available directly from Totallee as well as from other retailers. I will put links below where you can find out more about them. Many thanks to the kind folks at Totallee for sending me out these samples to review. Price-wise, these all come in at the same price point regardless of phone size at $29, and there is an additional leather case available available, which I don't have any samples of today. This one comes in at $39 for all three case sizes. Color-wise, we're looking at a single color for the transparent TPU, which is shown here, but the matte version is available in a total of 5 different colors. You have the frosted black and frosted clear featured in this review, as well as a solid black, a navy blue, and a red option. If you have any questions about these cases, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great case reviews coming up. Many thanks for taking the time to watch this video. This is Kristen with a sneak peek at Totallee's iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max case lineup. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.